So hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping in today. So I'm going to dive right into this. Over the past few weeks, we've been migrating our class website from Teachable to FreshLearn. And as I've been going through the migration, I've been looking at the courses that we have, coming up with some additional ideas for updates to some of the courses. But I also discovered as I was going through the classes that I have 6 really favorite classes that I'd like to share with you. And we're going to start the first class today. Is one that I get asked a lot of questions about. By the way, this is the new website interface, and then we've got our individual class selections, and we also do have our class bundle, which includes all 18 of our courses. But as we were going through and moving everything from Teachable to FreshLearn, I did go in and watch some of the videos, found myself enjoying some of the videos a lot and realizing, hey, we did put a lot of good information out here. So we get questions all the time. Here's the top 6 that I'm going to be reviewing with you over the next couple of weeks. But the first one that I wanted to share with you is our custom drone deliverable web pages for your clients. This one I get a lot of questions about, and we've had a lot of student signups, so thanks everybody. And this class covers giving your clients deliverables in a very unique way. So we haven't seen many people doing similar things out there like this. But years ago, when I was looking to share data and share information with one set of clients, I said, I want to make this really easy for the clients to understand. So I want to make a custom presentation that they can look through and easily know where they are in the stages of their construction progress, where any hiccups are, any issues, or even if they're getting ahead of schedule, which is great. So this class, like all of our other classes, includes 2 free previews, so you can check out just getting WordPress set up. And then we start diving into the WordPress interface. Now, let it be known, you don't have to just do this with WordPress, but this class doesn't cover other web page builders. So what am I talking about? Things like Squarespace and GoDaddy's editors and other tools out there. You could use other web building tools to achieve the same results that we're going to talk about in the WordPress version. That's what we're using. So you don't have to do it just like us. You can find other ways to do it, but if you do have an interest in learning WordPress and learning about all the tools that you can use to build some really cool sites and really cool drone deliverable sites, then check through this. We've got all of our information here, and then we scroll on down. So got the class pricing right now at $30. And then we also do list some of the other featured items. So there you have it. Our custom web pages for our drone clients course is one of my top 6. We did some really great explanations and brought you some very interesting tools. And I have had some new students ask for a couple new plugin ideas to enhance their websites further, so we will be working on that as well. All right, everybody, I need to hop off. I got to get back to work on a couple other items. I hope that you have a great start to the week here. It's a Monday morning, in case you watch this at a later date and time. All right, everyone, we'll see you soon.